Hello, dear learner. Before we move to the classroom, have you forgotten to subscribe to the channel? Don't forget, my dear student. Do well to subscribe to the channel and don't deny your colleague from also benefiting from these educational videos, as it helps you prepare yourself adequately for your mathematics exams. Don't be greedy, my dear. Make sure you share to your colleagues so that they can also benefit. Let's move on to the classroom. Now,
in this particular lesson, we are going to answer question number 2 of the 2024 BECE Mathematics Paper 1. And the question is as follows. Zelia and Amina shared an amount of money in the ratio 2:5. If Amina had 150 Ghana cedis more than Zelia, how much did they share? Now, since we don't know the amount they share, let's represent it by a variable, say x. So let the amount shared equal to x. So I'm represented by any variable of your choice. Now the total ratio there is 2:5. So the total ratio will be 2 plus 5. And 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Now, since Amina shares exceed that of Zelia by 150 Ghana cedis, we're going to try finding the share of each one of these ladies, assuming that the total amount shared is x as indicated. Then the difference between Amina's share and that of Zelia's shares will be 150 Ghana cedis as indicated in the question. So by that approach, we know that the share of Amina can be calculated by dividing her ratio part, which is 5, over the total ratio 7, multiplied by the total amount they shared, that's x. So that will be 5 over 7x, minus the share of Zelia, which is 2 out of 7 multiplied by x. And this will result to 150. This is how we are going to solve the question. Now, after forming this simple linear equation, our next step is to make sure that we clear the fractions. And by that, you see that this 150 is of a 1. So in that case, we are finding the LCM of 7 and 1. And LCM of 7 and 1 is still 7. So we multiply all the terms by 7. So in that case, we have 7 multiplied by 5 over 7x minus the same 7 multiplied by 2 over 7x, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 150. Now, this 7 will do away with this 7. This 7 will also cancel this 7. So this will be left with 5x minus, this is left with 2x. So minus 2x equal to 7 times 150. When you multiply 7 by 150, you will get 1050. Now 5x minus 2x will give us 3x, which is equal to the 1050. Since we are finding x, we divide both sides by 3, so that this 3 will cancel this 3, leaving x to be equal to 1050 divided by 3. When you divide 1050 by 3, you have 350. You may decide to use down division for this. So that means the amount shared by these two ladies is 350 Ghana cedis, which is option D. So it means that option D is the correct answer for this particular question. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share for your colleagues to also benefit. Thanks for watching.